is a monkey of mass 15 kg is climbing on a rope with one end fixed to the ceiling. Okay, so if we make the diagram, it will be something like this. We have a ceiling and a rope is hanging and a monkey is trying to climb on it. Monkey is trying to climb on it. Okay, so a monkey of mass 15 kg is climbing on a rope with one end fixed to the ceiling. If it wishes to go up with acceleration 1 meter per second square, so if it wishes to go with acceleration 1 meter per second square, how much force should it apply to the rope? If the rope is 5 meter long and monkey starts from rest, how much time will it take to reach the ceiling? Okay, so first we have to see, since it is accelerated, we will see what should be the net force. Since we have F equal to ma, the net force is ma. So what are the net force acting? So one is its weight, mg, and second is the tension from the string. So tension will be acting on the monkey by the string. So since the monkey is rising upward, the tension must be greater. So we can write tension minus mg equal to ma. So the string tension will be what? Larger than mg. So tension will be equal to mg plus ma. So very simple expression. And you can see that if acceleration is 0, the tension will be equal to mg. It will be equal to mg. That is what? Equal to its weight only. But if it is rising, you have to add an extra term of ma. So m is how much? M is 15, g is 10, m is 15, and a is 1. So what we are getting is, how much we are getting? 15 into 11. Okay, so we will have 165 Newton. We are having 165 Newton. So the tension here will become what? 165 Newton is acting. 165 Newton is acting on the string, is developed on in the string. Okay. So, and this is a tension required in the string. And if this is the tension, that tension will be developed by the monkey will exert that force. So that will be the answer. The force exerted by monkey will also be 165 Newton. The force by monkey is 165 Newton, because the force is equal on two sides. Okay, so force will be 165 Newton. Okay, next we will see, since acceleration is in 5 meter long, it has to travel. So it is simple kinematics equation. So S equal to ut plus half at square. Next, then we have to find the time. So initial speed is 0 because it is starting from rest. You can see it is starting from rest. So initial speed is 0 and displacement is 5 meter. And half a is 1 and t we have to find. So how much is t? So t is root 10. So that is 3.16 seconds. Okay, so this in this much time the monkey will be able to climb.